Jinsi ma'am and Shija ma'am, I think you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Shibi ma'am, you can start.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Technology is always the best when it brings people together. A warm good afternoon to all dear teachers and my dear students. We welcome you to the Interhouse IT Quiz TechU 2021. So learning always need not be measured by textbooks and paper. It can take different angles, and we are here to measure your growth on knowledge, abilities, and skills in the form of a quiz. A warm welcome to each and every participant and to all audience, students, and teachers. So it's time we will get cracking, and I think I should introduce and welcome our team members. So we have the binary bees. The members of the team are Siddiksha, Aryananda, Rashmika, and Gokul Krishna. And from team Server Monks, we have Bharat Krishna, Adrian Aruja, Datharin, and Boni. Team Colonel Ponies, we have Ananya Ganesh, Parvati Baburajan, Ashna, and Rhea Varshini. And team Data Pandits, we have Andrina, Deepadarshini, Pranavi, and Purnasri. So wishing all the participants and teams all very best, and I'm sure you will rock and prove your mettle. So let's get the ball rolling and let's take a quick glimpse at all the rounds. So round one is take your pick. Round two, we have system zombies. Round three, we have double trouble. Round four, decode apocalypse. And round five, long media connect. So you will be getting the instructions as and when we move from one round to the other. In general, every round, for every question, you get 2 points. Okay. And in cases where you have a difference in the markings, it will be intimated just before we start the round. So all the best, and it's time to prove yourself. We shall now start with the first round. Over to Carolina.
Good afternoon and good luck to all the children. TechU 2021 takes you a wonderful world of quiz program today. I invite all the team members for the first round. And your directions are, you will be given 2 topics. You need to choose your topic. 2 questions will be asked from your choice. Each question carries 1 mark. I invite Team Binary Bees, the Anonymity House, for the first round. Please choose your topic. Binary Bees, please choose your topic. Anyone can say which topic you are choosing.
Internet safety and network security.
Internet safety and network security. Okay, the question is, the first question, modem stands for. What is modem stands for?
Modulator,
Modulator.
demodulator.
You said the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the option?
Number 1.
Number 1. Okay, your answer is, it's the correct answer. The second question, Firewall in computer is used for
Security.
monitoring, data transmission, authentication, and security.
Security.
Your answer is right. Congrats. Thank you. The second team, Server Monks, your first question. Devi Malay House. You can choose your topic. Devi Malay House,
Hardware
hardware and software. Thank you. Your question. Which among the following hardware are you usually can't find inside a CPU casing? Motherboard, video card, video display unit, power supply. I
video
repeat,
display unit.
motherboard, video card, video display unit, power supply.
Ma'am, video display unit. B. Ala 3.
Yes, the correct answer is video display unit. Second question, which among the following is not a peripheral hardware device in a computer? Hard disk drive, optical drive, printer, and keyboard. Can you answer?
Printer. Option 3, printer.
Option
3.
louder, please.
Option 3.
3. Sorry, your answer is wrong. The hard disk drive is the correct answer. Third team, Colonel Ponies, your choice.
Ma'am, we'll go with viruses.
Ma'am, viruses.
Yes, viruses. The question, a computer dash is a malicious code which self-replicates by copying itself to other program. Virus, worm, program, application.
Ma'am, I think we can go with virus, option 1.
Sorry dear, it's worm. Second question, which of the following tracks your internet activity?
Option 2, spyware.
Sorry. Okay. The fourth team, Data Bandits. Please choose your topic.
History of computer.
Internet safety and network security.
Internet safety and network security. Okay. Your question. This technique tries to take information from the user, but the user actively gave the information. Common things taken are credit cards, usernames, passwords, and home addresses.
Hacking.
Your answer is phishing. Question number 2. This type of software is on computers and collects small pieces of information from users. It is also difficult to detect. What is it?
Hacking.
Phishing, scam, spyware, and hacking.
Hacking.
Please answer.
Hacking.
Scam.
Scam. It's spyware. Thank you so much, children.
Yeah, with that, we come to the end of round 1. So I'm sure you would be eager to know your scores. Can we have the scores, please?
Ma'am, at the end of this round, Anamudi House Binary Beasts have scored 2 points. Devi Malay House Server Monks has scored 1 point. Nettimate House and Teethamalay House are yet to score the points.
Thank you, ma'am. So that's great. So we have 2 teams yet to open their accounts. So I'm sure you will do your best in the next round. Over to Nisha ma'am for round 2.
Okay, start. Good afternoon, children. Welcome to round 2 system service. And the instructions, each team will be asked 1 question and you will get 2 points if you say the right answer. Team 1, binary base, the first question for you. It is a type of cyber security attack in which highly confidential information about the bank account of the victims is collected from them using various tricks and then misused. A, system hijacking. B, phishing. C, cyber stalking. Option D, cyberbullying. Question is for team 1, binary base, Anamudi House.
Ma'am, option A, system hijacking.
Option A, system hijacking. The answer is phishing. Move on to the next team. Team 2, Server Monks, Devi Malay House. It is a type of malware that is designed to trick internet users to purchase or download useless or dangerous information. Option A, scareware. Option B, spyware. Option C, adware. Option D, rootkit.
Ma'am, adware.
Adware, yeah, I'll go ahead with that. The answer is scareware. Adware is the advertisements which is coming in the internet. Next question for team 3, Colonel Ponies, Nettimate House. A hacker logs out users and encrypts their personal computer files and data, holding it hostage until they agree to pay to the attacker. What is this practice called? Option A, zombie. Option B, brute force. Option C, ransomware. Option D, cryptojacking.
Ma'am, ransomware, option C.
Option C, ransomware. Next question is for team 4, Data Pandits. Name the act of communicating false information about a person or a company with the intention of harming their reputation in the society. Option A, defamation. Option B, cyber attack. Option C, hacking. Option D, de-sniff.
Ma'am, defamation.
Ma'am, disniff. Ma'am, disniff, please.
Defamation.
Just confirm with defamation, cyber attack, hacking, disniff.
Ma'am, defamation.
Shall I go ahead with
Ma'am, A.
option A?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is the end of round 2.
Thank you, ma'am. So now we'll see the scores at the end of round 2. Over to Anandi, ma'am, for the scores.
Thank you, Shibi ma'am and Isha ma'am. So round 2 system zombies, Anamudi House and Devi Malay House have not scored any points. Nettimade House and Tirthamalay House both have scored 2 points in this round. Thank you. We can
Thank
move
you,
on.
ma'am. So Nettimade and Tirthamalay, it was a great opportunity to open your accounts. So keep moving forward with the same spirit. So we shall now dive into the third round. So I'm here with more trouble for you. Okay, so round 3 is double trouble. So we'll start off and the rules remain the same. Each house, each team will get one question to answer. Okay, and you will have to keep your camera on throughout the quiz. You cannot get it off. So house in charges, please keep an eye on that. And in this double trouble, you have 2 options. You can choose between 2 options. One is clone my score versus helping hand. So if you are opting to go with clone my score, you will be added with double point if you give the correct answer, but you will not be given any clue for this question. Okay, so if you directly straightforward, if you're able to answer the question, you will be augmented with double points, no clue. But if you feel that I want a question, I want a helping hand, you can go with helping hand option, but you will only be fetching half a point. So each question 2 mark. If you go with clone my score, you will be getting 4 points for the right answer. But if you go with helping hand, you will be getting 1 point, but with a clue. So I'm sure you have got it right. So can we move forward, teams?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now the first question, okay, it goes to binary beasts. So dressed in green, you can answer. So binary beast, please let me know if you will go with clone my score or do you want a helping hand?
Ma'am, like after seeing the question or like right now?
No, you have to choose that first. Okay, you choose and then we will show you the question. So you want to answer it directly or do you feel that no, I will go with half a point but with a helping hand? Which one do you want? Binary beast? You can't take so much of time to choose an option.
Ma'am, clone my score, ma'am.
Clone my score. Okay, I hope the other members are also okay with it. So I go with clone my score and your question is here. Identify this logo. Binary beast. The question is identify this logo.
Ma'am, lens cut or something like that?
Finalize and tell me, can I go with Lenskart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the other members are okay with it, but I'm not really okay with it. The answer is Meta. Okay, so binary beasts are not scoring here. Answer is Meta. Fine. So the next question to team server monks. So server monks, please get ready. So please choose between clone my score or helping hand. Server monks, option is yours.
Ma'am, clone my score.
Clone my score. Perfect. So clone my score, team server monks, your question is here. Identify this logo.
Ma'am, Microsoft Edge or yeah, Microsoft Edge, ma'am.
There can't be an or. Shall I go with Microsoft Edge?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
That's amazing. You got it right. It's Microsoft Edge. So Server Monks, you score 4 points. Server Monks are scoring 4 points. Well done, team. Now
you,
we
ma'am.
move on. Yes. Now we move on with team Colonel Ponies. So the time is yours now. Colonel Ponies, please choose between the two, Clone My Score or Helping Hand.
Ma'am, clone my score.
Clone My Score. Smart. Fine. The question is here, which company has the tagline of "Don't be evil"?
Google.
Ma'am, please don't lock that option.
Okay.
Ma'am, Google.
Colonel Ponies, please finalize and tell me the answer quickly.
Ma'am, Google.
Google. Shall I lock the answer?
Yes, ma'am, Google.
You're perfectly right. It's Google who has the tagline, "Don't be evil." That's really smart. Team Colonel Ponies are scoring 4 points. Well done, team. So now we come with Data Pundits. Okay, so please choose between Clone My Score or Helping Hand. Team Data Pundits.
Clone my score.
Clone My Score. Yeah, you can't choose a helping hand, right? You are equally smart. Okay, your question is, which company has the tagline, "Think different, but not too different"? Think different, but not too different. Which company has this tagline? Team Data Pundits.
Ma'am, Apple.
I want the participants' video to be on. House in charges. Please keep an eye on that. Team Data Pundits.
Ma'am, Apple.
Ma'am, Apple.
Shall I close the lock the answer?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Apple.
But Data Pundits, your video is off. So please ensure that all your video is on. It's very important. Next time, if anybody's video is off, we will not take that points. Yes, you can proceed, Shibi ma'am.
Yes, so Apple is perfectly right. Okay, they have their tagline, "Think different, but not too different." Well done, team Data Pundits. You score 4 points. So that was well played by all the team members. Hats off to you. So now we'll look into the scores as well. Over to Ananthi ma'am for the scores.
Thank you, Shibi ma'am. That was definitely a risky but yet thrilling round. And so in this round, Binary Beasts have not scored any point. And Server Monks have scored 4 points. Colonel Ponies and Data Pundits have also scored 4 points. I'll also give you a glimpse of totally how many points we stand at. So Binary Beasts are at 2 points. Server Monks are at 5 points. Colonel Ponies and Data Pundits are at 6 points each. So there seems to be a very good race running there between Colonel Ponies and Data Pundits. So we can proceed. Thank you.
Thank you, Ananthi ma'am. So we will quickly move into round 4. Over to Jinsi ma'am for round 4.
Are you able to hear Shibi ma'am, Jinsi ma'am's audio?
And one second. Yeah.
Okay.
Now I hope you are able to hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
able to hear.
Okay, fine. So this is regarding coding. So this team, each team will be getting one question, and each question carries 2 marks. And I request every team members to read the instructions or the questions carefully, and you can use additional papers, pen and papers for the calculation if required. And you will be getting 1 minute to solve this program or the question, whatever it is displayed on the screen. And there is no negative mark or pass question. And I invite the first team, Binary Beats from Anamudi House, for the first question. You will have 1 minute to read and answer the question. And your question is, if water is called food and food is called tree, tree is called sky, and sky is called floor, then on which of the following fruit is grown? The options are water, food, tree, sky. So, team binary beats, you can lock your answer. Please say your answer so that
Water?
water. So let us check. So the option is sky, because a fruit grown on tree, and tree is called as sky. Okay, so the answer is sky. So the next question to team server monks from the Devi Malai house. So for team server monks, you have 1 minute to read and answer the question. So this is your question. If in a code language, paint is written as 74128 and Excel as 93596, then how accept will be written in that language? So the options are given as A, 455978, B, 544978, C, 455378, and the option D, 733961. So I request all the team members to switch on their cameras.
Ma'am, ma'am, please log option A. It's 455978.
Okay, so option A, 455978. So very good. Well done, team. So that was the right answer. So each letter was given a number. So if we take A is having a code number 4, C is having 5, and again C is having 5, E is having number 9, P is having 7, and T is having 8. So that was a well played game. So the next team is Colonel Ponies, and your question is, if in English alphabet every alternate letter from B onwards is written in small letters while others are written in capital, then how will the third day from Tuesday will be coded?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
If in the English alphabet every alternate letter from B onwards is written in small letters while others are written in capital letters, then how will the third day from Tuesday will be coded?
Ma'am, option D.
Option
D. Last
D.
one.
Okay, so let us lock option D. So the reason is from third day from Tuesday, it is Friday, right? So we have to check only option C and D. And it is said that from B onwards, every alternate letter is written in small letters, right? So it will be in the form of this pattern. So we will choose the letters. F, R will be in small letter, I will be in capital, D will be in small letter, and A and Y will be in capital. Okay, so team will get 1 point, 2 points for their correct answer. So moving to team number 4, Data Pundits, and here is your question. In a certain code language, portrait is written as TROPTIAR. How would birthday be written in that code? So you have 4 options, A, B, C, and D. So the question is to data pundits.
Ma'am, option A.
Option A. Let us check. Yeah.
C.
Option. So you can make decision between your team members. Just decide and tell whether it is A or C. Which one?
Ma'am, option A.
Option A. So can I fix that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll go with that option A. So that was the right answer. So the reason is we will split the letters of the word into 2 equal parts. Then we will reverse the order of the letter of each part. So we will get the option A. So that's the end of this session. And thank you for participating. Over to Shibi ma'am.
So that was extremely interesting with a lot of decoders around us. So over to Ananti ma'am for the scores.
Thank you, Shibi ma'am and Jinsi ma'am. So in this round, Anamudi House has not scored any points. Devi Mele House, Nettimate House, Tirthamale House, at Server Monks, Colonel Ponies, and Data Pundits, all 3 of them have scored 2 points each.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So now we come to the final round. Okay, round 5, which is Long Media Connect. I hope you will find it great. Over to Shija ma'am for round 5.
Good afternoon, students. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
can hear you.
Okay,
Yeah.
this is the last round. Round 5, Long Media Connect. In this, one video will be playing. Based on that, a pair of questions you will get. You have to answer both the question. But if you, in your answer, if one part of the question, its answer is correct, means you will get a half mark. If the 2 parts, that means a pair of question. If both the questions answer is correct, then you will score 2 marks. So one video will be played. A pair of question based on the video will be asked. Each question carry 1 mark, 30 seconds for answering. Means after playing the video, you will get only 30 seconds. You have to answer. There is no negative marks or no pass questions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
We can move to the first question. So question number 1 is to the binary bits, team binary bits. Your video.
As you can see, the robot is pretty happy too behind me. So it's a privilege to serve users at this scale. And this is all because of the growth of mobile and smartphones.
I hope you watch the video. Your question is here. Identify the speaker and the product he is explaining about. Your choices: A, Bill Gates about robotics, B, Sundar Pichai about robotics, option C, Sundar Pichai about Android, option D, Narayana Murthy about robotics.
Ma'am, option C, Sundar Pichai about
Option C.
Sorry. Okay. Option C.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the correct answer, Sundar Pichai about Android. Then the next question to Server Monks. You are ready now? Team is ready now, Server Monks.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your question is, identify the singer and her citizenship. Option A, now USA. Option B, Sophia, USA. Option C, Sophia, Saudi Arabia. D, now Saudi Arabia.
Ma'am, Sophia, USA. Option B.
Can I lock?
Yes, ma'am. Lock that in.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Don't lock it.
One sec.
Okay, okay,
One
you
sec.
can. Only 30 seconds.
C.
Can I lock C?
Yes, ma'am.
Final decision of the team? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you scored 2 marks. The answer, Sophia, her citizenship is in Saudi Arabia. We can move to the next team. Question number 3 to Colonel Ponies. The team is ready, no?
1 minute, Srija ma'am, because Colonel Ponies only 3 are there, I think. Let me check.
Okay.
Okay, yes, 4 have logged in. Correct. You can proceed.
They are not responding. They are ready, no? Colonel Ponies.
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is your video. Okay, here is the question. It is the headquarters of a multinational technology company. Identify the headquarters and its location. Option A, the Googleplex, California. B, Microsoft, Washington. C, Apple Park, California. D, Menlo Park, Washington. Colonel Ponies, 30 seconds only. Make it fast.
Ma'am, Apple Park, option C.
Option C. Can I look?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you scored 2 marks. The question to the last team. Team Data Pundits.
Yes, ma'am.
Here is your video.
In the final game, the computer led with the white pieces. And soon Kasparov's fans had to admit that the once unthinkable might actually be happening. How had it come to this?
On May 11, 1997, chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov resigned after 19 moves in a game with a computer. That all of you know. Identify the name of the computer and the company that developed that particular computer. Option A, Submit, IBM. B, Milky Way 2A, NUDT. C, option C, Sierra, USA. Option D, Deep Blue, IBM. which was that computer and which company developed it. 30 seconds. Tirthamalai House.
Ma'am, Deep Blue IBM.
Can I lock?
Option D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you scored 2 marks. So Deep Blue, IBM is the company developed that supercomputer. Okay, this is the end of the round. You all played well. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So with that, we have come to the end of TechU 2021. And we sincerely appreciate your willingness and the conscious participation, because that is what builds your inner potential. So it was a very nice afternoon and to see you all participating. I'm sure you are equally excited and eager to know your results. So
Yes,
before
ma'am.
that, yeah. So Gladys ma'am, would you like to share a few words?
So good evening to all of you, especially the participants. Nice to see you in your color uniforms and the wonderful names that you have chosen. I don't know whose idea was it. Hats off to the different names that you have chosen. And first of all, IT team, you have done a wonderful job. It was interesting, especially some of the rounds were different. One suggestion was, I think we should start with a timer. And because it's online, sometimes some of them were losing their connectivity and they were going offline also. And turning off the videos, that was 1 or 2 things which I would like to suggest. On the whole, it was extremely well organized by the IT team. Hats off to you. And secondly, all the participants, you did a wonderful job. I know the questions were not related to any of your textbooks or your computer classes. So this was an extended learning, and hats off to all the team members. So the data pundits, Colonel Ponies, I'm trying to learn your names, the binary bees and server monks. So well done to all the participants. Winning or losing is just part of the game, and whether you win or you lose, it doesn't matter. You go back increasing your knowledge. I'm sure there would at least be one question which you will remember throughout, either because you said it right or because you said it wrong. So that is a learning experience. So well done. And over to our scorers to, I think, congratulate you with your points. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm sure we will work on the inputs that you have provided and provide a better show next time. Over to Ananthi ma'am for the scores.
Thank you, ma'am. So in the last round, which was the Long Media Connect, Anamudi Binary Bees have scored 2 points. Server Monks have scored 2 points. And Colonel Ponies and Data Pundits also have scored 2 points. And coming to the end of this session, I would like to congratulate the IT team. As ma'am said, it was really wonderful. All the rounds were very exciting. And congratulations to the participants and all the teachers also. So coming to the overall scores, Binary Beasts have scored 4 points. Server Monks have scored 9 points. And Colonel Ponies and Data Pundits both have scored 10 points. And so the positions of the houses is 4th position is backed by Anamudi House. 3rd position is backed by Devimalai House. And there is no 2nd position because the 1st position is being shared by Nettimade and Tirthamalai House. So congratulations to the house in charges and all the participants and all the teachers. Thank you. Over to Jinsi ma'am. Would you like to add? Jinsi ma'am or Shija ma'am can add.
Thank you, dear house in charges, for taking effort to prepare your students. And we are happy as a computer teacher. Our department is happy that our children are responding and giving answers like this. So we are really happy, and all the best for all the teams. And congratulations to the winners. And here there is nothing winning or losing. You are getting a new experience, right? So congratulations to all the team members and all the participants. And thank you and have a good day.
I think Rashmika is there with you. Vote of thanks.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to all. It's my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks and express our gratitude to all the teachers involved in making this quiz event a success. An event like this does not happen overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. We are fortunate enough to have dedicated teachers like you who make learning more enjoyable. I also sincerely thank our principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am for their support and for giving us the opportunity to prove our mettle. Thank you.
Gladys ma'am, shall we wind up?
Yeah, I think we can. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you to all.
you, ma'am.
Thank you to the scorers.
Thank you.